Yeah, Arjun, is that why it is that, with most of the other men in the industry, one hears rumors and one hears gossip, but with you there is not even the whiff of the distant smell of a rumor of you having been like naughty with any heroine. Why is that?
I think it's just about being content somewhere. I think when you're happy where you are, you don't go looking around anywhere else. It's as simple as that. Temptation, opportunities, all these things happen. But what you have to prioritize your life. You have something good, okay? You can't blow it up just for the sake of fun for a night, or just for the sake of your own ego and all these kind of things. So yeah, I think I never really felt the need and the thing to go out there and explore what that side of life really would be. And I hope I don't ever. You never know what's going to happen in the future, and you have to be careful about it. But I really do hope I never tread on that path.
I started off by describing you as rich, handsome and famous, and you're an actor of all things and a former model. Do you find women throwing themselves at you, and do you find men throwing themselves at you, and how do you handle that?
Throwing themselves, like, I mean, they are thrown?
I don't know. Okay, I know what I mean by throwing themselves, but maybe people lunge at you, I don't know.
I mean, there's always attraction. There's always this thing called fatal attraction, okay? And that's a very scary thing. And it sometimes people get attracted and they come towards you. But they sit with you for 10-15 minutes, and then the attraction is not that fatal anymore.
Maybe because from you they get the message.
Maybe. Or maybe they don't find me that attractive anymore. So it's fine, I'm happy the way it is.
But how does a man handle it when a man throws himself at you?
Himself on you?
I don't know,
throw him right back.
But you've been a model.
I have so many gay friends. I have nothing against gay people. I think they're lots of fun. I mean, some of my closest friends are gay, and I'm very comfortable in their company. And in fact, I would love to play a gay character one day. And I definitely will. I know I would do it really well. But I think Sean Penn would have a lot of gay friends as well. After seeing him in MILF. I mean, he was so brilliant. It can only happen with friendships. And I think there's such interesting characters to portray, and I would love to do that one day.
See, it's one thing to say that you wouldn't mind playing a gay character in a film, because in a Hindi film, because there are certain lines we have already crossed in the industry so far.
Sure.
But would you be comfortable kissing a man on screen?
Yeah, sure. For the sake of art, I'd kiss a man.
Not for the sake of fun.
No, not for the sake of fun, but for the sake of art, yes.
Okay. I had read somewhere that there was this lovemaking scene in Rajneeti, which of course Prakash Jha has confirmed that it was true, that you saw it after it was shot, and you thought it was perhaps not appropriate to carry it in the film. Is this...
No, not at all. I never thought it. In fact, that information is completely wrong. Whatever I read as well in the newspapers. You can't, go out there and justify everything, so I don't. But I'm glad you're asking me that question, because what happens is that in the film, that was an essential part of the film, and that was one of the reasons I did that film, because I said that this is going to be a complete. If I can do this, I can do anything, and we did it.
Was this a scene with you and Katrina Kaif?
No, this was a scene with me and Shruti. Okay, and. It was a tough scene for both of us to do, and we shot it, and it was done very nicely. It was done very aesthetically, but it was meant to be a bit brutal, and we did it. We were very embarrassed while doing it, and and then it took a lot out of us. But the censors felt that it was too much, to put out there, or they'd give us an A certificate. For us, that scene was not that important for us to lose a UA. They also felt that there's the scene with Katrina and me, which they wanted to trim a bit, and we said fine.
Was this again a love-making scene?
Yes.
All right. Okay, right now...
So I'm quite rampant in the film.
But Arjun, doesn't it seem like a waste to have done that scene with Shruti or with Katrina, knowing the kind of censor board that we have, and expecting an A certificate, and expecting a UA certificate from them?
Yes, I would think so. But...
So now do you feel it was a mistake to have shot those scenes in the first place?
No, I don't think so. I think everything is an experience, and I think to experience that as an actor, to do these kind of things, because I've never done something like that, opens me out more as an actor. You know, you see, you learn, and it's a part and process of creativity. It's like writing a book. You know, you write a few chapters, and then you just pull them out, and you can still go out there and complete your book.